Hey guys, welcome to FixLab Pro. If you are facing this kind of update error on your PC, then following each step shown in this video will solve your problem. So without further delay, let's start the video. Number 1. Click on the Windows button and then go to Settings. Now click on System on the left. Here go to Troubleshoot. Then click on Other Troubleshoots. Here run Windows Update. Now it will take some time to detect the problem of your PC. Once the problem detection is finished, click on the Windows button again and restart the PC. This will fix the Windows Update error of your PC. Number 2. If the Windows Update error is still not fixed, then you can use this method. At first, go to Windows Search and then type Services. Click on Run as administrator here. Now find Windows Update. If you find the Windows Update option, right-click on it and then click on Properties. If the startup type is manual here, make it automatic. If the service status below is not started, start it. Then click on OK. Then click on the Restart option here. Now restart your PC. Hopefully your PC's update error will be fixed. Number 3. If that doesn't work, then follow this method. Go to Windows Search again, then search CMD. Here select it. Here you have to type 2 commands as given in the video description. Copy and paste the first command from the description. Similarly, copy and paste the second command and press Enter. After running both commands, restart your PC. As a result, your PC update error will be fixed. Number 4. If your PC's update error is still not fixed, then you can follow this step. First, go to the Windows Search option, then search for Notepad and click on it. Here you have to write a script which you will find on this website. I am giving the link of this website in the video description. You will copy it from here and paste it in Notepad. Then click on the File option here and click on Save As. Now set the location and set the file name. You must write .bet at the end of the file name. Now save it. This will give you the batch file. Now double-click on it to open it. Now run the script. Once the script is run, restart your PC. Now, your PC's Windows Update error has been fixed. If you want to get more informative videos like this, subscribe to the channel and like it. You can comment on any problems you have. Thanks for watching.